up guys, I'm back with another video. So guys, as promised, this is the video on how to install One UI 3.1 based on the Samsung Galaxy S20. So yes guys, first open to up and wipe everything. This time, yes, wipe everything, even the system, the storage, internal storage, everything. We're even gonna wipe data. It's very important you guys also wipe the data guys, or it will not work. Guys, as always, the links for all the files I use in this video will be in the description. So the first thing you have to install is 3 plus UI. So guys, unlike the other one, this is not a GSI image. You will not have to flash any image. It's just a zip ROM file. So there's no drama like how it won't load. And after the ROM is loaded, you get an interface like this with all the options showing. So yeah. So let's click next, and you get bunch of these options. So you guys see there's a bunch of options. You can choose what you want to install. For me, I didn't want to install any of them, and this is all of the countries. So which country you belong to, please choose that country. Just randomly, I'm going to choose Thailand. I wanted to install Galaxy apps, all of this stuff, so I did. And guys, there is VOLTE. So if you want VOLTE support, make sure you click this. I do not use a VOLTE SIM card, so I will not click this. But if you guys do use it, make sure to click that. So make sure your VOLTE works. And guys, the VOLTE fix is not guaranteed, but if it works, please let me down in the comment. And as I said before, this is only the country codes, nothing else. Sorry guys, I was just trying to make the video better because I knew it was like glitching the top a little bit. So yeah guys, so that's it. So next you can just click next after you have decided your options, and now I'm just going to install the ROM for you. This just take a bit of time, so you have to be patient. And yes guys, I have a big hard drive which I connect to my phone, which helps me install more ROMs. It's a helpful hack. If you guys want me to leave links for this hard drive and the hard drive reader, make sure to hit the like button and comment down below, and I'll make sure to reply, and I'll leave the link for you if you guys are interested. So yeah guys, as we're waiting in this video, I'm going to ask you guys, if you guys want to see other content that I have not released yet, please comment down below on which content you would like to see me release. Yes guys, I know you guys want Oxygen OS and more OSs, but sometimes GSIs don't work on the A7 2018, but I'll try my best to make it compatible. If I don't reply, that means I'm working on something or it's just not possible. So I do apologize, not everything is going to be possible, but I'll try my best to make everything work for you guys. So guys, after it's installed, click next. Next, it's just going to reboot your device. As I said guys, there's no image needed. You just need to flash one file and it installs the ROM for you. There's no GSI flash. This is why VOLTE works on this device. Hopefully it works on your device, because I was reading about it, and on this ROM, sometimes it works for some people and other times it doesn't. So I really hope it does work for you guys. I'm really hoping, because usually when I release ROMs, it doesn't have VOLTE support since you have to flash an image over another image. But this time it's just one zip folder, so most likely VOLTE is going to work. If you guys are excited to try this for your phone, make sure to smash that like button. And if you guys are not even subscribed, what are you guys doing? Hit that subscribe button and join the best family on YouTube. And yes, I did copy that from another YouTuber. So yes, now your phone is just going to load guys. And guys, as we're waiting, let's just talk about the COVID situation. Guys, we know India is in a tough time, so just for this, like these couple of videos I'm doing, I'm reminding you guys just to leave down in the comments #pray for India, because it's having a really tough time. And maybe you might not be religious, but the small things you might say might improve the situation. So #pray for India. Make sure too many people are having the virus back in India, so they need our help guys. So comment down below, pray for India. And also guys, on that note, make sure you guys always wearing masks, sanitizing guys. The virus is very serious. and only go outside if you really need to. The India's situation just really shows how deadly the virus is. People are dying on the street. It's very bad. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys keep safe during this pandemic. Make sure to sanitize, wear masks, and try to do your best with social distancing. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the room has loaded. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to this video so your other friends can see it. And guys, stay safe during this pandemic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.